Hello, this is Nikki in Niagara coming to you from Niagara Falls, Canada. And today we're going to be looking at Zen Doodle coloring, baby farm animals. Illustrations by Jeanette Wummel. So we have a, is that foiled? Yeah, it looks like it's got some silver foiling on the front cover. And the back cover shows us an example of what a page looks like and some other books in the Zen Doodle series. So Jeanette Wummel does a whole series of baby animals books for the Zen Doodle books. We start with a title page here with a cute little pig on it, a list of all the Zen Doodle books currently in print, another title page, copyright page stating that this is an original publication of 2019, and then the illustrations start. So of course we have absolutely adorable farm animals depicted in this book. Most of them are Zen doodled and have a Zen Doodle background. One thing to remember about pictures that have a Zen Doodle on them, let's wait until we find one that is quite Zen Doodled. The paper is of a medium quality and the pages are perforated. They're single-sided with nice clean white backs, and the line art is done with a very bold line. Now by this point in the baby animal books, Jeanette Wummel is including actual backgrounds. So some of the pictures in this book are actual scenes, so you can see in the last few pictures. And a lot of the animals aren't completely Zen doodled, like the ones we saw in the beginning of the book. Now, when we come to a Zen doodled animal, we don't have to color in every little one of this tiny little design in here. You can just color this whole space one color and have the pattern show through. Some people are put off Zen doodling because they think that the little tiny designs put them off. But they're there for decoration. They're not there to necessarily color every little bit. These are big books, and I forgot to mention the amount. I'm pretty sure I know, but I just want to check. Yeah, there are 61 pictures in a Zen Doodle book, so you are getting a lot of pictures for your dollars. And Jeanette's animals are just absolutely so cute. These pictures really do give you a lot of leeway to be very creative with them. You can color every little thing that's on the page, or you can black something out. You can do straight coloring and not color the designs. Now that sound you hear is the perforations. I've not opened this book fully all the way before, so the perforations are freshly cut and are sticking to one another the first time that you open them up. As I said, there are a lot of pictures in here. And we come to the end of the book. So once again, this is a Zen Doodle coloring book called Baby Farm Animals by Jeanette Wummel.